Another day, another adventure. Welcome to Cathedral Grove. One of the reasons this is such a special place, besides this beautiful forest, is that some of the trees here are over 800 years old. So, who's up for a hike? Douglas fir trees are the ancient giants in this old growth forest. They are one of Canada's largest growing trees, as they are long-lived, tough and known for their rapid growth. Many of these trees are over 800 years old, surviving a forest fire that swept through this area around 350 years ago. So this is really beautiful. It's a very peaceful hike. It's an easy hike, so I highly recommend it to come down to this beautiful forest for a nice morning walk. And one thing I really find fascinating about nature, life always finds a way. Whether it's the thick moss on the branches, mold, mushrooms, even fallen down or burned down trees are a birthplace of new life. Sometimes you see a tree growing out of a trunk of another tree. Life always finds a way, and nature always finds a way to surprise and amaze you. Just amazing that these trees have been around and will be around longer than any of us. The largest tree in the park is this giant Douglas fir. It's over 800 years old, 76 meters tall and 9 meters round. That's 20 meters more than the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. It was over 300 years old when Christopher Columbus came to North America in 1492. Douglas fir is one of Canada's oldest living tree species and can live to be over 1,000 years old. For now, we're gonna head towards Seattle and continue our journey towards Argentina on the longest road trip in the world. Make sure not to miss out and stick around, subscribe, like, hit the join button, and up to our next adventure. We see you back on the road.